Contributing to an employer-provided 401k retirement plan is often touted as one of the best retirement strategies. However, many Americans don't have access to such a plan. In that case, it's still possible to take charge of your retirement savings, sometimes with options that offer more flexibility and freedom. A traditional IRA allows you to save for retirement by deferring tax payments. Contributions are either entirely or partially tax-deductible. Withdrawals in retirement are taxed, including earnings and gains. A Roth IRA differs from a traditional IRA in that contributions are taxed, while qualified withdrawals are tax-deductible if the account is at least 5 years old. Earnings from a Roth IRA account are free from federal taxes and potentially state and local taxes too. You can typically withdraw contributions you've made to your Roth IRA at any time, and there is no minimum contribution to open an account. A Precious Metals IRA empowers you to control account specifics and enjoy an expanded asset selection without having to rely on a workplace association. You can focus on stocks and bonds or broaden your scope to include real estate and IRS-approved precious metals, such as certain gold and silver coins and bars. It's also considered by many to be a good hedge against both inflation and unpredictable financial crises. Unlike the other alternatives mentioned, a brokerage account is viewed by some experts as better suited to producing a regular source of income than retirement savings plans. That's because the critical aspect of a brokerage account is ready access to your money, not retirement or tax benefits. And brokerage account holders must claim annual gains and losses in their taxes. Call U.S. Money Reserve for an obligation-free one-on-one consultation to discuss your retirement goals and learn how precious metals can help you reach them. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA information kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.